Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the Gpuai token. Name of the token is Gpuai, and that is also the ticker symbol. And this token is a token on the Ethereum blockchain. It's an ERC20 token, and it was just announced that they are getting a brand new central exchange listing starting tomorrow, March 7th, on a very big central exchange. We're going to go over the information on this token and how you can get it in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that, just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. And let's get into this token here. So this is a fairly new token here. Like I said, it's on the Ethereum blockchain. You could find their Etherscan. You can find them listed on Etherscan, etherscan.io. Now they're not even available on Uniswap as of yet. Their Etherscan says 7 holders, 18 decimal places, and a max total supply of 100 million Gpuai tokens. So brand new token getting their first big listing starting tomorrow at exactly March 7th, 12 o'clock UTC time. This token will be listed on Mexc Global. So if you're looking to get this token and you don't have an Mexc Global account, I do have an Mexc Global referral code down there in the description box. You're welcome to use that if you like. Basically, all you'd have to do is simply go right through that Mexc Global referral code down there, open an account, fund your account with USDT, go into the trade section and search GPU, and then it'll pop up. You'll see Gpuai, and then simply just buy the token. Now, their Twitter has almost 8,000 followers at Gpuai Coin, 28 tweets so far. Their newest tweet is their Mexc Global listing. So there is a Kickstarter event that you can get involved with prior to this listing where you could vote with MX tokens and potentially win airdrops, and there's a reward pool of 50,000 USDT, so check that out on their Twitter right there. You can also join their Telegram that has almost 3,800 members. 362 of them are online. It's a great place to join the discussion with the rest of the community about this project, ask questions, see updates at Gpuai Coin on Telegram. And their webpage, gpuai.art. You can find a full white paper, partners, socials, roadmap, all sorts of information is available on there. Or if you just want to skip right over to their white paper, you would just go to whitepaper.gpu.io. And that is listed on their webpage there. So, unlocking Gpuai, revolutionizing AI, 3D, and Web3, explore limitless potential and innovation with our cutting-edge computational infrastructure. They have a contact email if you need to reach somebody at the top right-hand or left-hand corner of their page, support@gpu.io. It says, unlock the potential of Gpuai, join the Telegram. So what we do, at the heart of our innovation lies empowerment, and at Gpuai, we are architects of empowerment for the digital age. With our state-of-the-art GPU-based computational infrastructure, we fuel the energies of progress, or the engines of progress, propelling forward the realms of artificial intelligence, 3D, and Web3 development. Here, creativity meets cutting-edge technology, igniting a symphony of innovation that knows no bounds, from revolutionizing artificial intelligence algorithms to sculpting immersive 3D landscapes and pioneering decentralized Web3 applications. We are the catalysts of groundbreaking advancements that redefine what's possible. Step into a world where imagination takes flight, powered by the limitless potential of GPU AI. Our platform is more than just a tool, it's a gateway to a universe of creativity waiting to be explored. Join us on this exhilarating journey as we push the boundaries of technology and creativity, driving forward the frontiers of innovation one breakthrough at a time. At GPU AI, the future is not just imagined, it's created. So, their vision. Our vision at GPU AI is pioneering a future where advanced GPU technology serves as a cornerstone for limitless innovation across AI, 3D, and Web3 domains. We aspire to democratize access to computational power, empowering individuals and organizations worldwide to redefine what's possible and shape a brighter, more innovative tomorrow. Our mission at GPU AI, our mission is to revolutionize the way the world harnesses computational power, accelerating the adoption of AI, 3D, and Web3 technologies. Through cutting-edge infrastructure and unparalleled support, we empower creators and developers to unleash their full potential, driving transformative advancements and shaping the future of technology. So their partners are Trust Wallet, CoinGecko, CoinMarketCap, Nomics, Etherscan, MetaMask, Bitmart, XT.com, and of course Mexc Global. So they're getting that Mexc Global listing tomorrow, but it looks like in the future they're possibly going to have Bitmart, XT.com listings, and they'll be available to view the chart on things like CoinMarketCap and CoinGecko. And so their roadmap just starts with idea phase, crafting visionary concepts, then the project launch, unveiling innovative features, broadening accessibility worldwide, innovation focus, pioneering cutting-edge advancements, community building, cultivating a thriving ecosystem. And if you want to subscribe to a newsletter, you can at the very bottom of their webpage, gpuai.art. Embark on a transformative journey with GPU AI. So check out their socials, check out the Twitter, check out the Telegram, their Etherscan, their webpage, white paper, and check out this Kickstarter event that's going on Mexc Global's Twitter at Mexc_official. And like I said, if you don't have an Mexc Global account, check out all the referral codes down there in the description box, especially that Mexc Global one. Make sure you guys like this video, subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their info and utility is. And thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.